What if I told you that the castor oil everyone's talking about might not be as harmless as it seems? Sure, you've probably heard how it can make your hair grow faster, clear up your skin, or even help with detoxing. But here's the catch. Before you start using it, there are some serious warnings you need to know. While castor oil can be beneficial, it can also lead to some pretty nasty side effects if you're not careful. In today's video, we're revealing the 11 most important things you should know before using castor oil. And trust me, number 1 might make you think twice about that bottle sitting on your shelf. Castor oil is a thick, pale yellow vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the resinous communis plant, commonly known as castor beans. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that gives the oil its well-known properties. Castor oil has been used for centuries for a variety of purposes, including as a natural laxative, a skin moisturizer, and an ingredient in beauty and health products. It's often marketed as a cure-all, but here's the truth. There are serious risks that come with using it. Whether you're thinking of applying it to your hair, skin, or even taking it internally, knowing these warnings could save you from some unpleasant and potentially dangerous side effects. Let's break down the 11 key warnings you need to consider before using castor oil. Stick around because these tips might just change the way you think about this so-called miracle oil. Before we dive in, if you've ever tried castor oil or are curious about its effects, go ahead and hit that like button. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health tips like this. Can castor oil cause skin allergies? Castor oil is widely used in skincare due to its moisturizing properties. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps hydrate the skin and soothe irritation. Many people apply castor oil to dry or flaky skin, and it's often found in lotions, creams, and even homemade beauty products. Its ability to lock in moisture makes it a go-to for those with dry or sensitive skin. However, despite its benefits, castor oil can cause allergic reactions in some people. If you have sensitive skin or a history of allergies, you might experience redness, itching, swelling, or even rashes after applying castor oil. This reaction is known as contact dermatitis, which occurs when the skin becomes irritated by certain substances. To avoid these unpleasant side effects, it's crucial to perform a patch test before using castor oil on larger areas of your body. Apply a small amount to a small patch of skin, like the inside of your wrist, and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. If your skin reacts negatively, it's best to avoid using castor oil altogether. While it can be a great moisturizer for some, others may find that their skin simply doesn't tolerate it well. Is castor oil safe during pregnancy? Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy to induce labor in pregnant women. It works by stimulating the muscles in the intestines, which can also trigger contractions in the uterus. Some women turn to castor oil late in pregnancy when they're past their due date or eager to speed up labor naturally. However, this practice comes with risks. Using castor oil during pregnancy without medical supervision can lead to premature labor or complications during delivery. The contractions caused by castor oil can be intense and uncomfortable, potentially leading to dehydration or exhaustion before labor even begins. Additionally, there's no guarantee that castor oil will effectively induce labor. It may cause digestive distress without bringing on contractions at all. For these reasons, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before considering castor oil as a method for inducing labor. Your doctor can provide guidance on whether it's safe for you and your baby based on your individual circumstances. While some women have successfully used castor oil under medical supervision, it's not a remedy that should be taken lightly during pregnancy. Can it cause digestive issues? Castor oil is perhaps best known for its use as a natural laxative. When taken orally, It stimulates the muscles in the intestines, helping to move stool through the digestive tract and relieve constipation. This effect is due to ricinoleic acid, which increases muscle contractions in the intestines. While this makes castor oil an effective short-term solution for constipation relief, there are risks involved, especially if you take too much. Overuse of castor oil can lead to severe gastrointestinal issues, such as cramping, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. These symptoms occur because castor oil works very quickly and forcefully on the digestive system, which can overwhelm your body if not taken in the correct dosage. In more extreme cases, excessive use of castor oil can cause dehydration due to fluid loss from diarrhea. This is particularly dangerous for older adults or people with existing health conditions who are more susceptible to dehydration. If you're considering using castor oil as a laxative, it's essential to follow dosing instructions carefully and consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure about how much to take. Castor oil should only be used as a short-term solution for constipation, not as a regular treatment. What about long-term use? While castor oil can be an effective remedy for occasional constipation relief, long-term use poses significant risks that many people aren't aware of. When used over an extended period of time as a laxative, castor oil can cause your intestines to become dependent on it for normal bowel movements. This means that once you stop using it regularly, you may find yourself unable to have normal bowel movements without assistance, leading to chronic constipation or even bowel dysfunction. This dependency occurs because your body becomes accustomed to the stimulation provided by ricinoleic acid, the active component in castor oil, and over time, your intestines may lose their natural ability to contract properly without this external stimulation. Additionally, long-term use of any laxative, including natural ones like castor oil, can disrupt your body's electrolyte balance and lead to dehydration or nutrient deficiencies if not monitored carefully. For these reasons, healthcare professionals recommend using castor oil only as a temporary solution for constipation relief, not as part of your regular routine. If you find yourself relying on laxatives frequently or struggling with chronic constipation despite trying other remedies like increasing fiber intake or staying hydrated, it's important to consult with a doctor who can help identify underlying causes. Can it interact with medications? If you're taking medications, especially laxatives, diuretics, or blood pressure medications, you need to be cautious when using castor oil. Castor oil acts as a stimulant laxative, which means it forces the muscles in your intestines to contract more than usual. This can lead to dehydration, especially if you're already taking diuretics, medications that help your body get rid of excess water. The combination of castor oil and diuretics can cause your body to lose too much fluid, leading to electrolyte imbalances, dizziness, and even fainting. Additionally, if you're on medication for high blood pressure or heart conditions, castor oil may interfere with how these drugs work. The dehydration caused by castor oil can lower your blood pressure too much, which can be dangerous for individuals already managing hypertension. Furthermore, using castor oil along with other laxatives can amplify its effects and cause severe diarrhea, cramping, and discomfort. Always consult your doctor before using castor oil if you're on any medication. It's essential to space out the timing of your medications and be mindful of how castor oil might interact with them. Your doctor can advise you on whether it's safe to use castor oil or suggest alternative remedies that won't interfere with your current treatment. Is it safe for children? Castor oil has been used for generations as a remedy for constipation, but when it comes to children, extra caution is needed. While it might seem like a natural solution for occasional constipation relief in kids, castor oil is not recommended for children under 6 years old. Its powerful laxative effects can be too harsh on young digestive systems and may lead to dehydration or severe cramping. Even in older children, the use of castor oil should only be considered under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Children are more sensitive to the effects of laxatives, and using castor oil without proper supervision can result in excessive bowel movements, diarrhea, and loss of vital fluids and electrolytes. There are gentler alternatives available for treating constipation in children that are safer and more appropriate for their age group. For example, increasing fiber intake through fruits and vegetables, or using pediatric-friendly stool softeners are often better options. If your child is experiencing frequent constipation, it's essential to consult with a pediatrician rather than relying on over-the-counter remedies like castor oil. A doctor can help identify the root cause of the issue and recommend safer treatments tailored to your child's needs. Can castor oil cause hair felting? Castor oil is widely used in hair care routines because of its reputation for promoting hair growth and strengthening hair follicles. Many people apply it directly to their scalp or mix it with other oils like coconut or olive oil to create DIY hair masks. However, while it may help some people achieve shinier or healthier looking hair, there's a lesser known risk associated with its use: hair felting. Hair felting is an extremely rare condition where the hair becomes so tangled that it mats together into hard clumps that cannot be untangled. In severe cases, the only solution is cutting off the affected hair entirely. This condition can occur when too much castor oil is applied without proper dilution, or when it's left in the hair for extended periods without being washed out thoroughly. To avoid this nightmare scenario, always use small amounts of castor oil when applying it to your hair and dilute it with lighter oils, like coconut or olive oil. Additionally, make sure you wash out the oil thoroughly after each application to prevent buildup that could lead to tangling or matting. While castor oil can be beneficial for hair care when used correctly, moderation is key. In conclusion, while castor oil certainly has its benefits, especially as a natural remedy for constipation and dry skin, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations and be aware of the potential risks involved. These warnings highlight both the benefits and risks associated with using castor oil. While it can be a powerful natural remedy when used properly, understanding these potential side effects will help ensure that you use it safely and effectively. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you're pregnant, taking medications, or have sensitive skin. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your community.